Dear students, today I am going to solve few questions on your exercise 7.7. Exercise 7.7 of indefinite integral. And before that I am discussing about some special integral. Okay. The first special integral is root over x square plus a square, which will be considered as a formula. What is its result? First we find out. Okay. Integration root over x square plus a square dx. To solve such type of integral, what we will do? Here you see, there is a particular single function root over x square plus a square. With this another function I consider what? 1. Okay. So we do not know the integral of this, but we know the integral of 1 dx. 1 dx means what? Integration dx. Integration dx, which is equal to what? X. So this particular one can be considered as second function, and this one is considered as first function. Okay, because we do not know its integration, but we know its differentiation. Okay, हमें इसका इंटीग्रेशन पता नहीं, लेकिन वन का इंटीग्रेशन पता है. जिसका इंटीग्रेशन पता है, कंफर्म है, तो उसको क्या ले जाना चाहिए? बी कंसिडर करना है. ठीक है, बाय इन इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स मेथड. ओके, सो व्हाट विल डू? u into first function into integration of second function minus ddx of what? First function into integration of second function as a whole integration. ये सारे जो रिजल्ट मिला है उसका फिर इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? इंटीग्रेशन dx is equal to what? X, and it will remain as same, and ddx of root over x square plus x, root over x square plus x, you know ddx of what? Root x equal to what? 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so use this formula. Ddx of if you suppose this is your x, you consider this is your x, ddx of what? Root x is equal to what? क्या होगा? उस फिगर का एक्सप्रेशन क्या होगा? ddx of root x square plus a square is equal to what? 1 by 2 into root over x square plus a square. Okay, and again derivative of x square plus a square. Derivative of x square is equal to what? Twice x, and derivative of a square is a constant, is 0. Okay, and integration dx is equal to what? क्या होगा? x होगा. तो ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, क्या होगा? 2x स्क्वायर होगा, और बाद में 2 क्या होगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगी. तो आप इस स्टेप तक आप लोगों को शायद समझ में आ गया होगा. सो आई बिलीव दैट देयर विल बी नो डाउट हाउ वी गेट द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस. First use the formula ddx of root x is equal to what? 1 by 2 root x. Since x square plus a square is not x, it is other than x, so again derivative of x square plus a square, which is equal to what? Twice x, and integration dx is equal to what? X, then multiply it, you will get 2x square. Okay, now 2 cancel, दोनों को cancel करो. We suppose our integral is what? हमें क्या लिया था? Our integral, original integral is what? I. Okay, original integral is what? I. Therefore I is equal to finally what? In the root over x square plus a square. इसमें x इधर मल्टीप्लाई करो, x into this. Okay, minus, so 2 cancel, it becomes what? X square by root over x square plus a square dx. Now this next step is very important. So you will do some innovation here. So you have to remember this particular step. ये सबसे important है इस problem की. सारे step normal and as usual steps है, and this step is little innovations are there. So here in this figure is what? X square plus a square is there. What we will do? We will write what? X square plus a square, and what we have written extra? That a square. So you subtract this, and finally it becomes what? Your balance, and it is equal to root over x square plus a square into dx. My objective is that I am going to get I again. I should be repeat again. So which equal to x into root over x square plus a square minus, if you separate this, क्यों आप लोगों को पता है x by root x is equal to what? Root x. So x square plus a square by root over x square plus a square क्या होगा? Root over x square plus a square होगा, because x by root x type, this is x by root x equal to अल्टीमेटली क्या हो रहा है? रूट एक्स हो रहा है. तो उसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? ये जो फिगर है उसके साथ उसको कैंसिल होके क्या होगा? रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर होगा इंटू डी एक्स, वन इंटीग्रल. ओके, माइनस से व्हाट? प्लस. अनदर इंटीग्रल इज व्हाट? ए स्क्वायर by root over what? X square plus a square dx. Okay, So I separate the integral. One integral is this one divided by this, which is equal to root over x square plus a square into what, dx, and another integral is what, a square by minus से क्या होगा, plus a square by root over x square plus a square into what, dx. ठीक है. So and then the next step is x into root over x square plus a square. So in such problem, this is you mark it important step. So आपको याद में रहेगा कि वहाँ में मुझे थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है. Whenever you are going to solve this particular integral, you have to focus on that part, because here I have done some innovations. This innovation अगर ना करे तो problem में proceed नहीं कर सकते. Okay, then which equal to, and this integral you see, it is nothing but your I. Integral root over x square plus a square again. So it can be represented by what, I plus a square क्या है, constant बाहर आएगा. तो integral क्या होगा, the integral becomes what, a dx by root over x square plus a square. And if you remember what happened, this is the there are 6 integral I have given you, some very special integral, and among this one of them is this one. So you know this result also. So everything you have to remember it. आपको याद में रहना होगा, वरना प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. You cannot solve the integral. So I equal to, so I, this is I, right? तो I is I इधर ले आओ तो क्या होगा, twice I equal to x into root over what, x square plus a square plus a square into, ये जो फॉर्मूला था इसका फॉर्मूला क्या था, log मॉडुलस x प्लस डेनोमिनेटर क्या है, रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर. ओके, प्लस सपोज c1. Understood? Then finally you divide your main job is to find what I equal to x by 2 divided by 2 root over what, x square plus a square plus, if you divide every term by 2, a square by 2 into log modulus x plus root over x square plus a square plus c1 by 2. c1 by 2 is another, c1 by 2 is, c1 is a constant, c1 by 2 is another a constant. So c1 by 2 can be considered as what, c. Clear? So finally we get I equal to what, this one. Clear? And I means what, I is equal to your original integral. So you can write I is equal to, what is I can be replaced by what, integral root over x square plus a square dx. So this is a particularly, this particularly what, a new results, and it is a special integral, and you can consider is at a formula. Okay, now from onwards we are going to use is as a formula. What is the formula? Integration root over x square plus a square dx equal to what, how to start, x by 2 into this expression plus a square by 2 into log modulus x plus the expression, x plus the expression. उसको remember करना है. You have to utilize your own technique to remember it. Okay, so another 2 results are there. I am just mentioning, I am not going to prove it. Number 2 result I am going to just mention it. Is integration root over x square minus a square. Earlier on x square plus a square, now x square minus a square dx equal to same thing. This is, there is no difference, same pattern is there, x square minus a square. Just here a square by 2, it will be minus a square by 2 into log modulus x plus x square minus a square plus c. So this formula and that formula are similar type, pattern are same. So x by 2 into expression minus, here plus a square by 2, here minus a square by 2 into log x plus expression. Okay, and the last one 3 is very useful. This particular formula I have written you, it will be very much useful in application of integral. We will repeatedly use it, and you can find out its result also by using this method of parts. I have given both of you both the integral as your homework. Try to find out the results. Okay, result proof करना है आप लोगों को. X by 2 into a square minus x square. Okay, here only constant, starting with constant. Okay, a square se shuru hua and end up by what? Variable. Okay, so x by 2 into root over a square minus plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. So this is another thing is that this particular log is replaced by sine inverse x by a. Okay, so sometimes you may be confused to remember this x square minus a square and a square minus x square. So इसमें remember करना है constant से शुरू होती है तो sin inverse आएगा, ठीक है, तो बाकी as usual. Okay, so these are the three special integral I have discussed, and using this integral I am going to solve two questions today and complete the indefinite integral. Okay, so let us start to solve few 2-3 questions using this particular results. Okay, so one question I am discussed today. You can go for other question also. Suppose the question is root over 1 minus 4x minus x square. Here again you see your expression is in terms of what? Quadratic. Okay, and your three results are what? One is root over x square plus a square, another is root over x square minus a square, another is root over a square minus x square. Okay, in every three integrals you see here, you have observed that they are sum of perfect square or difference of perfect square. Okay, so here we will do what? This particular expression can be reduced into sum of perfect square or difference of perfect square. Let us start with 1 minus 4x minus x square. First, what happen whenever you are going to do perfect square, that is express into sum of perfect square or difference of perfect square, what we will do? First, you make the coefficient of x square as positive. So minus taken as common, plus 4x minus 1. Can I write this? And now it can be written as x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. हो गया? एक्स्ट्रा कितना लिख लिया? 4 लिख लिया, तो उसको माइनस करिए तो माइनस 5 हो जाएगी. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इट इज what? X plus 2 whole square, and it can be written as what? Root 5 whole square. Okay, and finally it can be written as what? Root 5 whole square minus हटा दिया जाए तो ये होगा. ठीक है, and which is equal to, this integral becomes what? Become root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square and under square root. Okay, dx. And now this integral is nothing but of the form root over what? A square minus this integral. Okay, and what is the formula? You know, x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. So here we will use this formula, x by 2. X means what? X is a linear term, x plus 2 is a linear term, so you can replace x by x plus 2, no problem. X by 2 means what? X plus 2 divided by 2 into root over this square minus this square, root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square. Okay, plus a square by 2 plus what is a square? Root 5 whole square. Root 5 whole square means what? 5. So 5 by 2 into sine inverse x by a means x plus 2 by a. A means what? Root 5. Okay, plus c. And if you arrange something, this expression is nothing but this one. Okay, so you can write 1 minus 4x minus x square plus 5 by 2 into sine inverse x plus 2 by 5 plus c. Okay, so this is the particular integral I have solved. So whenever you get such type of quadratic expression under the square root, and that is there is no denominator is there, okay, then you are going to apply this type of 3 integrals. So there are 9 integral I have given, 6 integral I have given earlier, and now I have given another 3 integral, and which these 3 integral are also very useful. Especially this integral is very important in coming chapters like application of integral. Okay, so hope you understand. So thank you very much. Thank you. And a few more questions are there in this particular exercise 7.7. You try yourself and you can solve it. I am confident that there will be no issue for you. So hope for the best, and my advice is that practice and practice to make yourself perfect in the subject mathematics. So thank you very much. And one particular teacher told, very experienced teacher told, if you do mathematics, you can do mathematics. If you do not do mathematics, you cannot do mathematics. तो आप मैथमेटिक्स अगर नहीं करेंगे तो आप मैथ्स के एक्सपर्ट नहीं हो सकते. तो मैथ्स को टाइम देना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है, और यू कैन मेक योर सेल्फ एक्सपर्टाइज इन दिस पर्टिकुलर chapter, okay, in this particular subject. Thank you very much. Thank you.